Real general. Yeah. Way up. Selfi TV. I mean, say no cassette, no CD, no DVD. Let me welcome everyone right now to Eatinz. That day I'm not tell a lie. I have to walk with my plate, my spoon, my fork, and my cup. Cause I plan for them till my belly bust. Tonight I'm going to do a whole heap of selfie. I'm going to selfie down the whole place. God, Jesus, and them 12 disciples them know about the party here. Eatinz. Chef Everol, big up yourself. I want to be loyal fan, so you couldn't do a show like this and the selfie boss no day, I swear. So you know when you are going to go and selfie down the whole place. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. You can't do this. Tick it and tick it.
Alright, Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD. So far, you know, we're just checking in right now. It's a beautiful settings, beautiful view. Wonderful people out there. Delicious food, the food looking great. Delicious. I swear I can see everybody enjoy themselves in them plate. Everybody do them early briefing, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to start the show. Let them see how the selfie boss work. Yo, selfie, we are one. Stay tuned for more.
What Eatinz is about? Yeah. It's a celebration of food. Yeah. Come on, we get together, good atmosphere, good vibe, good music, awesome food. Eatinz!
Look out for more of this event. A lot more.
Respect for Selfi TV. Real TV. No DVD. No CD. Selfi TV. Eatinz.
You have a lot of exciting meals. A lot of finger licking food. I don't know what Eatinz the thing. You don't right, man.
Check.
Come there. There. Come.
Selfie, look to your left now, over by the pool side. Pool side, pull. Hey. Please. Kanabis Selfi TV. Oh, he said no cassette, no CD, no DVD. Kanabis Selfi TV.